Maplewood Toyota, Minnesota's #1 volume dealer in 2021, welcomes your interest in one of our great vehicles that comes equipped with chrome bumpers, standard suspension, electronic stability control, air conditioning, tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, 4.1 rear axle ratio, side airbags, power windows, 6-speaker audio system, and has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. From sales and finance to service and parts, Maplewood Toyota's team members stand ready to serve. Visit us today. We look forward to meeting you.